Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to change fonts in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. I will keep this preset to create a new document. Next, we can add text. We can go to left toolbar. We can find type tool. I will use horizontal type tool and click on artboard. We can start to type. For example, I type change text fonts. And then we can go to top option bar. We can change the font type here. We can change Arial. Sorry, I should make selection. I press Ctrl A to make selection and then go to top option bar to change the font type. Alternative, we can use the move tool and then we can show properties window, or we can show character window. We can find the option for the character and we can change the font type here. For example, I change another font type. So this is how we can change fonts in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.